Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you change your webcam square shape to circle shape. And you can see this is my webcam which is square shape right now, and we will do the circle shape on it. So what we have to do, we have to check our source here. You can see this is my webcam source. I'm using iPhone webcam using the OBS using the OBS Studio software. So you have to add your webcam source first. Then what we have to do, you have to add a filter here. Just click on it, and we have to add a new effect filter here. Click on it and select the image mask or blend. Just click on it. Okay, and we have to browse our circle mask. You can see the square shape also, and I'm using the circle mask, and you can see already we have added successfully the circle mask. And now what we have to do, we will add a neon circle over there. The neon circle is very good looking. So what we have to do, we have to add here. Just click on image here, click on OK, and we have to add the neon circle here. You can see our neon circle is already here, and we have to resize it. So here it is, we have successfully added. So I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.